The Columbia River Treaty was up for review because we were approaching a milestone 10 years prior to 60 years of the Columbia River Treaty implementation. So it was important for government to decide whether they wanted to continue the treaty, to terminate the treaty, or to seek modifications to the treaty. Well, it was important for me right at the beginning to get to know the team members. They came from all over government. So first off, it was important to discover what their talent was. And to do that, it was very important to be a backstop to them, a safety net, so that they knew that they could undertake something that they'd never done before.
Working with Kathy was interesting because she allowed you to take ownership of your project and define the outcomes and deliver those outcomes, and supported you in delivering those outcomes.
I refer to Kathy as the passionate connector. She has a passion for public service and a passion for the people she works with, both inside and outside of government. In terms of being a connector, Kathy is really great at building strategic alliances with a variety of stakeholders and coming up with solutions that all can support.
Kathy's leadership style is inspirational to start with. Her listening ability, her active listening and engaging in the conversation very deeply are tremendous attributes. The other one I would say was her creativity. She's always thinking and coming up with some great creative solutions.
Part of my leadership style is to bring a lot of positive energy to the workplace and the team, and also be always aware that I'm setting the tone, a tone that is accepting of everyone, and to be very inclusive. And so setting the tone every day is something that I check when I walk through the door. Well, for me, leading from the middle is not always having the answer, is not always having the course charted out, but to give the initiative and the goal to the staff and let them chart the course, develop the strategy.
She's been able to combine her training as a hydraulic engineer, the public and First Nations consultation she did on major projects in the Environmental Assessment Office, and build that into one role where she's really been able to excel. British Columbians are better off for Kathy Eichenberger in that role.